Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'll be showing you how to trade using the alligator indicator, but first I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I have a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat. I post their trading signals once a day. I also answer people's questions, and also you can be able to discuss with the other members of the group about anything concerning crypto as well, and we can be able to discuss about crypto trading and any crypto news that I also post there once a day. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share this video, and also do not forget to hit the notification button as well. So let's get started. So hello friends, so as I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be trading with the alligator indicator today. So this alligator indicator really helps to show you general price trend. It helps to show you reversal points in the market, and also it helps to show you the strength of the price. So I'd like to show you how to activate this indicator, analyze it, and use it. So let's start. To switch it on, you need to click this button in the upper left corner, and then in this menu you are going to choose alligator. And so to configure it, you need to click this button and leave all the values by default, but change the color and the thickness of the moving averages. So I'll change the thickness and then click to save, and you can see the indicator now on the chart. So this indicator consists of 3 moving averages, as you can see. So the signal to enter the market is, for example, when the green moving average is crossing the red moving average from top to bottom. This means that the price will be falling down, so you have to enter with a down trade here. But it also works in the opposite direction as well, when, for example, the green moving average is crossing the second one from bottom upwards. It really means here that there will be an uptrend, so you have to enter an uptrade here. And also you can open your trades when there is an intersection of the moving averages and they are moving parallel and close to each other. And also when moving averages are moving parallel to each other, this signals that there will be a very good one-way trend. And also as soon as these moving averages cross, this will signal that the trend reversal is expected. So you should always make sure that you carry out technical analysis first, because these indicators can give you a lot of errors, and technical analysis is the most reliable tool to use first before you can be able to enter the market using this indicator. So let's get started with our very first situation for today. So here you can observe the level of resistance, and also there has been a roll back down from this level, and now price is again trending towards this level. And also paying attention to the indicator, this is the intersection of moving averages. So here I'll enter the market with an uptrade for 2 minutes, because anytime soon I think price will trend towards this level, and the time is with the margin in case of a pullback. So let me wait for the results and see. So analyzing this, after the pullback, the trending up resumed, and this trade has brought me very good profit, and thanks to the indicator I could analyze the movement. So let me go on. So this is the level of support, and price has reached this level already for a second time, and price is squeezing this level, and there is a crossing of moving average and they are moving further from each other. So here I'm thinking I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes with a margin in case of a pullback. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing this, it has been the small flat zone. The trending down resumed, and this level has been broken through. So let me continue. Well, this is the level of support on the chart, and the price maximum is getting lower, and this is the downtrend. The price has hit this level a second time, and then pullback up occurred, and moving averages have crossed. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes, because I think price will be falling for some time here. But let me wait for the results and see. So analyzing this trade, the price trended down to this level and it has brought me a profit. So I'll go on. So this situation is quite similar to the last. This is a level of support and price reached this level for a third time, and there is the crossing of moving averages, as you can see, and it signals that anytime soon price will be falling down. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade and wait for the results of this trade. You can notice here that the price trended down here and the level was broken through. I've got very good profit thanks to the indicator. So let me go on. So this is the level of support. You can see price pulled back up and now it's again reaching this level. And another pullback up occurred as well, but the indicator is signaling that down trade will occur because of the crossing of moving averages. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because gentle trend line is going down. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this, price trended down to the level of support and it has brought me my profit. And the indicator again really showed a very good entry point, so I'll continue to another trade. Well, this is the level of support and price already touched this level 2 times, and you can also notice that the price maximum is getting lower, and this is the downtrend. And for the last few minutes the price has been trending quite steadily, which is why I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes, because I think that in the situation price will trend down, which is confirmed by the indicator. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing this trade, price really trended down and broke through the level of support. I've got very good profit thanks to the hints from the indicator, so let me go on. Well, this is the level of resistance and this is the uptrend happening, and price minimum is getting higher and price is starting to break through this level, and you can see the moving averages have crossed. So I'm thinking I'll enter the market here with an uptrade for 2 minutes with a margin, of course, in case of a pullback down, but of course upward trend will continue. So let me wait for the results. So price trended up here, as you can see, and broke through this level. I managed to get my profit, so let me go on. So this is the level of support, and price hit this level a second time in the last 10 minutes, and this is the intersection of moving averages which are diverging from each other. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes with a margin in case of a flat zone or a pullback up. Let me wait and see the results of this trade. Price trended down here, as you can see, and broke through this level, and it has brought me very good profit. But let me go on. So here you can see that this is a level of support, and next to the level there has been the flat zone, and after a pullback up, price trended towards this level. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes because price has exited the level. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this, breakout of the level occurred and it has brought me my profit, which is now, you can see, is $2,000. So I think I'll find the last transaction for today. So here you can observe the level of resistance on the chart, and price has been hitting this level for a third time in the last 15 minutes. And you can see at the indicator there is intersection of moving averages. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes, of course with a margin in case of a flat or a pullback down before upward movement resumes. So I'm waiting for the results and see. So analyzing this, price trended up and really broke through this level, and I've got really good profits, of course. So I'd like to stop here for today. So as you saw, the alligator indicator is a very useful tool for trading. It signals entry points into the market, but you need to remember the alligator indicator is just an auxiliary tool for technical analysis, because technical analysis is the fundamental for all trades. So if you have any questions concerning the alligator indicator, any other indicator, or just questions about my trading strategies, I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. In my private chat, I discuss and answer everybody's questions, so I'm inviting you to join. I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. I'm with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat. You can be able to ask all your questions, be able to discuss with other members, and be able to look at my trading signals that I post there once a day. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.